Hey, what it do? What it say? Hey, family, how y'all doing today? I'm coming to y'all today with some chicken tamales and some French fries. How y'all doing today? This weather out here is funny. Funny, honey. Yes, I put some ketchup on my French fries. How y'all doing today? I'm doing great and wonderful. Great and wonderful today. I am highly favored and blessed to be here. Oh, my heart is so heavy for Miss Kim Porter. I feel so sorry for P. Diddy now and their family. My hearts just go out to them. And I'm praying for their strength. I mean, it's terrible. I really am hurt. And I mean, it affected so many people. So I'm in the store and they talking about it. It's terrible. A young, black, beautiful woman. My heart goes out to her. My heart goes out to her family. That's why I always say every day above ground is a good day. That's why y'all see me happy all the time, because God gave me life. That's a beautiful gift to wake up each and every day. Some of y'all, these fried. I put some ranch. Some ranch over. 2. I stopped. These are the bomb. I'm telling y'all. I stopped at the Mexican grocery store, and they made these from scratch. I didn't make these. These are good. Look at them. I'm telling y'all. These are good. Good in the hood. I haven't had enough tamales in a minute. I mean a minute. I got them from Chicago Heights in Illinois. I mean, they big too. I got 4 of them. I don't even know if I'm big. Eat 4 of these today. My body's been feeling a little under the weather, but I've been pushing myself to keep going. I've been doctoring on myself. Oh, I tell you. And I'm hungry. I ate early. I had breakfast. Me and my daughter, and I met one of my friends. And we sat down and we had us some breakfast this morning. I mean, you don't need no sauce, no nothing on it. These tomatoes is really good. I hope I get a good thumbnail. I hope that holds. Anytime I'm not feeling well, my jaws, they turn red. Them bad colds is going around. No diggity, no doubt. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. Oh, Lord, look at that. Mm, mm, mm. I took them out of the wrapping. What's that, the corn wrapping? They put them in. I'm telling y'all. I wish I could share them with y'all. They good. This weather, the winter is on its way. It's stuck. Whew. Look at here. You have to, your loved ones, you have to tell them each and every day that you love them and appreciate them. Stop being mad at people. Stop. You cutting off your blessings. Let it go. And let God work it out. If you mad at somebody right now, call them up. The coach rep and tell them you sorry. Even if it's their fault. Because life's too short. If something happens to them, you're going to have regrets of not talking to that person. And this going to kill you in the inside. Be joyful and happy every day. I just thank God that I have a glow about myself. I walk into any place and I speak to everybody in there. And I can see, and it makes me feel good. Because I can see the smiles on these people's faces that I'm bringing to them. Just a hello and, hey, how y'all doing today? Y'all blessed to be here. I'm one of them people, I'm not afraid to say anything or talk to anybody. Because I realized something. That person might need that talk. It might need that say hello or that hug. It might help them get through the day. It might help them get through something they're going through. If we was much better at communication and not scared to talk to strangers, to talk to people, or just give somebody a hug and tell them how beautiful they is, or tell them how handsome they are, or that haircut looks nice on you. I was driving light bright to work, and it was this couple. I mean, both of them was glowing. They were glowing. I always tell people, y'all got a glow about yourself. Y'all look so happy together. That is a blessing. And they smile and they tell me thank you. Sometimes people just need to just hear that. Some people go through life being angry and mad and don't even know what the hell they mad about. And then they take it out on other people. Yes, I am. I'm eating with my fingers today. Ready to leave the fork for them. I cut up them fries. Fries is delicious. Delicious. Man, 47 years old. And I'm 46. why all the material things in the world don't bring you happiness. You want to know, you want to live the righteous way. So when that time comes, you ready. Ooh, I love that ranch got on this, but that's okay. Mm, mm, mm. I'm telling y'all, I ain't doing this just to tease y'all. No, it's really good. I wish I could make those like that. I tried. I can't do it. Not like how they make it. It's good. Mexican store I went to, they can cook they butts off. Their food be delicious. Life is a blessing. Each day you have breath. Thank God. Ooh, that's for you burp lovers. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And they season this chicken just right. Just like bright. Hey, Light Bright.
Hey, Mama.
Say hi to them.
Hey, my Young Safe family viewers.
Yeah, she's at work and she's calling.
I'm calling to talk to you, but you won't be recording like that.
I'll be off in a minute. 2 minutes.
Okay, Mama.
Okay, baby. Say bye to them.
All right, bye-bye. Love y'all.
Yes, that's Light Bright at work today. Making them dollars. Dollar holler. Yes, my baby be getting it in. Had my middle daughter with me today. The one y'all might not never meet, cause she don't want to get on the camera. She's beautiful. I had her drive me around because I'm half blind, and it just feels good for me to have my kids to drive me around, and I don't feel like driving. There's nothing wrong with that at all. Mama, I don't feel like it. Well, you're going to take your mama today. We was together all day. And I really enjoyed it. It's a blessing to have kids. And I love my kids dearly. I don't know what I'd do without them. But family, I love y'all. Stay safe. Be blessed. Take care of yourself. And if you have not subscribed, subscribe to the Yo Faye family. Give a thumbs up. Comment down below, you know. And hit that notification button so you can join me. I just love each and every one of y'all. And I appreciate y'all. And I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Sincerely. I'll be seeing you later.